Hi, I'm Tyson, and I've been educating with PowerPoint for over a decade. During that time, I've noticed a trend. People's attention spans are getting smaller and smaller, and people have less and less time to engage with my learning and content. Therefore, I had to modify my education strategy from long, detailed sessions to shorter, sharper education that usually goes from about 1 to 2 minutes. That's when I discovered the secret. It was all around me. In marketing, social media trends, and even my day-to-day life. Enter the power of GIFs, with the ability to reach people instantly and give them the information that they need to know right away. But usually, you need to use expensive animation or video editing software to create them. Not anymore. With the right knowledge that I can teach you in my online course, I can show you how to make amazing GIFs with the software you already have access to at home, school, and work. You know what it is? PowerPoint! While my course is excellent for education, it also extends into other areas, such as marketing, advertisement, fast food industry, and even business. GIFs really are the future in all these industries, and by signing up to my course today, you can get ahead of the curve.